guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we've teamed up with Auto Communications, who are going to be installing the Autowatch Ghost-II immobiliser on an Audi A1.
Show you how the Ghost immobiliser works on this Audi A1. Some vehicles work differently, so we're going to give you a demo on this one, but just sort of bearing in mind that different vehicles do work differently. So on this Audi, to be able to start the vehicle, we need to put the ignition on, it all lights up. Now we need to enter our code. So the code we set on this vehicle, very simple, just 4 buttons there. Once the code's been accepted, you get 2 flashes of the hazards there, foot on the clutch, the vehicle starts, ready to drive away. We can use all the buttons on the steering wheel on this vehicle. Some vehicles work differently, like I said, some have got paddle shift, some you can use windows, but on this vehicle, like I say, just the steering wheel buttons here. We also get a lot of questions as well. People sort of say, what if I leave the car with the car valeters? What if it's going for a service, MOT? I don't want to tell the guys my PIN code, so what we can do there is put it into what we call service and valet mode. What service and valet mode means is that you temporarily disarm the Ghost system. So what that does is it allows, you know, mechanics, car valeters, things like that, to start the car and drive it without entering your code. Once the vehicle hits 32 miles an hour, it's got a 15-minute countdown timer. So hit 32 miles an hour, the vehicle drives for 15 minutes, and then the vehicle will not start after that. So as we've shown you, the code is quite simple. You can change the code yourself. Your installer, whoever it be me or whoever it is going to be, will show you how to change your code. It's very simple to change. I'm not going to show you on this vehicle, but we do give you a full demo of how to change your code on completion of installation. For, you know, we've showed you the code as this. You could do up, up, down, down, down. You can do between 4 and 20 different combinations. You could do left, 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 nav, 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 nav if you wanted to. You know, the code is completely up to you.
Okay, so the install is complete. For security purposes, we obviously didn't show you guys how it gets fitted. If you're interested in getting it fitted, definitely get in contact with us down here at Dub. Whether you're getting a wrap job done, whether you're getting a PPF job done, we can get it while your car is getting that done. We can just get that done on the side. So definitely get in contact with us if you are interested, and we'll be able to book you in as soon as possible. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.